Hey everyone! In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best 65-inch TVs of 2020 to help you find the perfect fit for your home setup. Whether you're a gamer or movie buff, we've got options with stunning visuals, immersive sound, and smart features. Stick around to see which TV takes the top spot. You won't want to miss it. Number 5. Samsung 65-inch Class Neo QLED 4K QN90D Series Smart TV. The Samsung 65-inch QN90D Neo QLED is a true powerhouse when it comes to premium 4K TVs. Featuring mini LED technology and Neo Quantum HDR, this TV delivers exceptional brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, making movies, games, and sports look absolutely stunning. With support for Dolby Atmos and object tracking sound, you get immersive audio that follows the action on screen, creating a cinematic experience right in your living room. Gamers will love the Motion Accelerator and Real Depth Enhancer Pro, which delivers smoother gameplay and more lifelike visuals. Plus, Alexa is built right in, letting you control the TV and your smart home with just your voice. The sleek design and ultra-slim bezels add a modern touch to any setup. If you want one of the best TVs for gaming, streaming, and everyday viewing, the QN90D is a fantastic choice for 2024. Number 4. Hisense 65-inch Class U8 Series Mini LED 4K UHD Smart TV. The Hisense 65U8N brings incredible performance and value to the premium TV market. Powered by Mini LED UL technology and a QLED panel, it delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and outstanding brightness that's perfect for all your favorite content. The addition of Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos ensures a cinema-like experience at home, with stunning visuals and immersive sound. For gamers, the 144Hz Game Mode Pro offers ultra-smooth gameplay and low input lag, making it an excellent choice for next-gen consoles. It also features full-array local dimming Pro for precise contrast control, giving you richer detail in every scene. Running on Google TV, you get a user-friendly interface with access to all major streaming apps, plus Alexa compatibility for hands-free control. If you're after a powerful and affordable mini LED TV in 2024, the Hisense U8N should be high on your list. Number 3. LG 65-inch Class OLED Evo C4 Series Smart TV. The LG OLED 65 C4 PUA is a powerhouse for anyone serious about cinematic quality and next-gen gaming. Featuring the new OLED Evo panel combined with the AI-powered 4K processor, this TV delivers breathtaking contrast, perfect blacks, and intense colors that truly bring every scene to life. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming, the image clarity and detail are simply outstanding. Gamers will love the fast refresh rates, low input lag, and VRR support, making the C4 one of the best choices for PS5 and Xbox Series X owners. It runs on WebOS for smooth navigation, and comes with a magic remote for an easy point-and-click experience. With Alexa built-in and support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, the C4 series offers a fully immersive smart home experience. If you want a premium OLED experience in 2024, the LG C4 is definitely a top contender. Number 2. Sony 65-inch BRAVIA XR-A95L Series 4K QD-OLED Smart TV. The Sony BRAVIA XR-A95L is one of the most advanced TVs you can buy in 2024. Featuring a QD-OLED panel, it delivers exceptional brightness, true blacks, and stunningly vibrant colors that elevate every movie, show, or game. Powered by the cognitive processor XR, it intelligently enhances every scene for unmatched realism and detail. Designed with gamers in mind, it includes exclusive PlayStation 5 features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode, giving you a next-level gaming experience. It supports Dolby Vision HDR for breathtaking visuals and Dolby Atmos for immersive, theater-like sound. Running on Google TV, you'll have easy access to your favorite apps, voice control with Google Assistant, and seamless Alexa compatibility. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of OLED performance, smart features, and gaming enhancements, the Sony A95L is a true flagship choice. Number 1. Samsung 65-inch Class OLED 4K S90D Series Smart TV. The Samsung 65-inch S90D OLED TV is a top-tier choice for 2024, offering incredible performance with stunning OLED visuals. With 4K AI upscaling and HDR, this TV ensures exceptional picture clarity, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, whether you're watching movies, sports, or gaming. It also features Dolby Atmos and object tracking sound light, delivering immersive sound that moves with the action on screen, creating a cinematic experience in your living room. For gamers, the motion accelerator ensures ultra-smooth gameplay, while the Real Depth Enhancer adds incredible depth to images. The S90D integrates Alexa built-in for hands-free control, and the sleek design makes it a perfect addition to any modern setup. If you're looking for the best OLED TV for vibrant, lifelike visuals, and immersive audio, the S90D series is a standout choice in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Let us know your favorite TV in the comments below.